Okay, so here we have an equation that has, it's a logarithmic equation. And what we're going to do is whenever we see a logarithmic equation that we want to solve, we're going to rewrite it in exponential form. Okay, so what I have to do is, remember, when you rewrite a logarithm as an exponent, remember your base always stays the same. Okay, so this has a base of x, so that means when we write it as an exponent, it's also going to be a base of x. What happens is basically these two switch. Okay, so the logarithm, right, this is equal to the exponent. So what I get is x squared and then equals 100. Now this actually has two solutions, although I think Alex only wants the positive solution. So meaning the two solutions are 10 and negative 10, right? You can 10 squared is 100 and negative 10 squared is 100. But I think Alex only wants the positive solution. So what we can do is if we want to solve this for x, right? This is x squared equals 100. If you can't, see the answer from here, what we want to do is we'll raise this to the 1/2 power, and we'll raise this to the 1/2 power. Why did I choose the 1/2 power? Because I know that these exponents will multiply, and if these exponents are going to multiply, right, this is going to become just an exponent of 1. And what is x to the 1, right? This just becomes x to the 1, which is exactly x. Okay, and over here I get 100 to the 1/2, which is another way of saying the square root of 100, which is 10. So I get x equals 10. Okay, but hopefully you can actually just see that from this step, from x squared equals 100. You can kind of take the square root of that. You can say x equals the square root of 100, which is 10.